In manufacturing plants, the superintendents, the supervisors actually need to be on the plant floor to see what's going on in the plant to keep everything moving along, but yet they need to get back to their computers, they need to do phone calls and do that. We've built rooms out where we put the acoustical glass into where they can be on the phone, they can be working with their computer, and they still can see what's going on. It just creates a wonderful environment for those superintendents to work there and watch what's going on. Now, Catherine, you might talk to us a little bit about what's going on in some offices we've done.
Sure. We've just got finished with one where actually it was a closed-in office. It was uninviting, and we basically invited people in by putting a whole wall and acoustical glass door, transoms. The whole place is now glass, looks modernized without moving. They are in their same existing building, but no one can hear the conversations that go on in the conference room. But the look now that they've done increase their value of their plant is amazing.